Hello guys, welcome back with me again at the channel. So on today's video I would like to give you a tutorial on how you can create a night footage coloring in CapCut. So first just add your night footage to CapCut and then go to the filter. Click on the movies section and find the orange blue filter. I mean this green orange filter, and set it to about 50 to 60. You can adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 50. Then click on adjust, and for the contrast lower it to around -10, and then go to grabs and then use this curve for the red and blue. Okay, so this is for the red curves, and for the blue one set it like this. Then go back and now click on the HSL, and for the orange color set the saturations to around 20, and for the blue color set the saturations to 25. Okay, so it is done, and this will be the final result. So that's all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.